Hello my crafty friends, it's Jelly Bean. I am here today with another kit for you. And because I am putting together so many kits, I am going to start numbering my kits, and that way when you contact me with I want such and such kit, I'll know which one you want. This kit is all fibers or eyelash trim, trims, yarn, whatever you want to call it, it's fibers. And this is going to be kit number 106. If you are interested in this kit, please leave your email below in the comments and I will email you and let you know the information to PayPal, the payment, and I usually try to ship either the same day or the next day once payment is made. This is awesome. I have heard so many people saying that it is so hard to find the fibers and the eyelash trim and everything, so I have compiled a big selection that I am going to put together, and this is going to be all one for, this is a kit of nothing but fibers. So let me show you what you're going to get. I'm going to show you each individual one, what you're going to get. First of all, this is an eyelash, or a fun fur actually, and it has very long fibers, as you can see. These are great for cards and wands and all your embellishments. This one has a slight little glimmer to it. It's not metallic, it just has a little bit of a glimmer, as you can see. You're going to get 3 yards of each thing I show you. Everything I show you, you're going to get 3 yards of. You're also going to get 3 yards of this. Now I'm going to tell you the colors. This is a royal blue. And I'm going to tell you the colors because not all monitors pick up the same, and I want to make sure you know what you're getting. This is a purple. It's another real long strings, fibers, whatever you want to call it. They're pretty long. So you're going to get 3 yards of this one. This is a really cool one. It's kind of an eyelash with some kind of roping in it. It's real pretty colors. It's a purple, blue, and kind of a teal color all mixed in. You're going to get 3 yards of this. This is short little fibers that it has. And it's kind of cool. These are great for the tassel makers. All you tassel makers, this is everything you need right here. You're going to get 3 yards of this one. This is a medium blue, a real pretty medium blue with real long fibers here. You're going to get 3 yards of that one. You're going to get 3 yards of this. This is some pastels. It's more of a eyelash or banner type trim, I guess you would say. It's purple and kind of a hot pink, the light pink, and yellow. It's got a very small tinge of green every now and then in there, just like a mint green, I guess you'd say. 3 yards of that. This is a Martha Stewart trim that I got a couple skeins of different colors. And this one is the hot pink or fuchsia. You're going to get 3 yards of this. I have it in green. You're going to get 3 yards of this. Again, this is the Martha Stewart with the metallic in it that makes it glitter. I also have it in a chocolate brown. You're going to get 3 yards of this one. And let's see, I think that's all of the Martha Stewart ones that I have in this kit. Okay. This is another eyelash trim. This is really pretty purple, real deep violet, and a kind of a real dark fuchsia purplish pink. It's really hard to explain, but it's beautiful. It's kind of a really fallish color. Be good for Halloween too. This is a black It's kind of like the Martha Stewart. It has a little bit of a glimmer to it, the little sparkle. It has real long fibers. Again, you're getting 3 yards of everything I'm showing you. This is a variegated. It is pink and purple, orange, blue, green. It's just a fun ball of fluff. It's really soft too, and this has the real long fibers. 3 yards of this. This is a really pretty smoky gray. It kind of variegates from light to dark. You're gonna get 3 yards of this. It's got the really long fibers on it. You'll get 3 yards of this one. Now, again, that was a gray, a silvery gray. This is a deep, deep violet purple. And you're gonna get 3 yards of this. This has the really long fibers on it. Get 3 yards of that. This screams fall to me. I love this color. It is a deep dark orange and like a burnt orangish red, and it's more like the Banner eyelash. You're gonna get 3 yards of this one. The blue don't come with it. But 3 yards of that. This is a pretty teal blue color. It has the real long fibers. Can't find the end on this one. But you're gonna get 3 yards of this one. Here is a, I'm gonna try to quit saying y'all. I know I'm really bad at that, so I'm gonna try to quit doing that. This is a tan, kind of a sandy brown and a tan cream mixed together. You can kind of see the variation there, but it's got a real long fiber on it as well. You're going to get 3 yards of this. This is what I call my curly. It's kind of a white, silverish gray with a little bit of black in it. It's got shorter fibers on it, and it's kind of like curly hair. It's just little short, crinkly fibers. Again, it's got a little bit of black in it every now and then. So you're gonna get 3 yards of this. And let's see, this is like a Chanel stem, but without the wire. And it's a real pretty moss green with some teal blue and green and gray type specks, maybe a bluish green, but it's kind of like a Chanel stem without the wire in it. It's really soft, it's really pretty. This is really good for fall as well. This one here is a very interesting fiber. It's not really a fun fur or an eyelash trim, but it's really neat. It's got a little tiny short fiber. I love the colors in this, but it's got a short little tiny fiber that comes out every now and then, and it's the orange, hot pink, green, and yellow, and it's kind of an apple green. But that's real pretty. You'll get 3 yards of that. This I've had in some of my other Destash kits. It's real pretty, and to me says fall. That's all I can think of that it says, and it's actually sold as a crochet yarn, but it is more like a ribbon. It's more like a small ribbon, and it's real shiny. It's real pretty, and it's silky feeling, but it's kind of a burnt orange, dark burnt orange red, and it's got gold and turquoise and a little bit of green. It's real pretty, and this would be great with all your fall projects. Cards, make bows on your cards, your tassels, awesome in your tassels. Just gives it a little bit of a silky feel to it. You'll get 3 yards of that. We have, there I go again with, this is a really cool little fiber yarn. It has just every so often a little sprig of fiber sticking out, and it's a gray, a blue, and a black. I don't know how well you can see that. I've tried to adjust some lighting here, but it's just a pretty blue, black, or really maybe navy blue, but it looks like it turns a little black. But it's just variegated, and it has the fiber every now and then that comes across. Just give it a little something. Be great using embellishments or in your tassels. And this is a grape purple, and it has a little bit of a shimmer to it. You can see the little sparkles in it. The fibers are pretty long, and you'll get 3 yards of that. And then I have 2 other things that I have put in here that is a fiber type deal. This is a jute tubing. It has a very interesting feel to it. It's very flexible, and especially in tassels, it would give just an extra little something that's different. This also makes really pretty bows for your cards and everything. Let me see if I can tie one real quick. But it just is an interesting type fiber that is easy to use, and you could even stick beads or something up through the center of it. If I got a pencil or something somewhere, I'll kind of show you. Let's see here. I don't think this one's going to work because it's got a rubber stopper on the end of it, but see, you could actually stick beads or some other fiber up in there that would give it the sparkle, a little bit of sparkle. But this is really nice for fall. It works really well, and like I said, it makes pretty bows on your cards and other things, and it will also work in your tassels. You're going to get 3 yards of that. And this I thought was very fallish. It's actually a big fluffy yarn. I don't know what kind of yarn it's called, but I had it. I was going to make a scarf out of it, and I thought, you know what, this would be so pretty making bows out of it. It's a moss green, an olive green, and like a burnt reddish orange color, but it's really pretty. It's really soft too. But you're gonna get 3 yards of this. Now that is all the different fibers you're going to get in this kit. There is a total of 72 yards. Everything all together, you're getting 3 yards of everything I just showed. That is 72 yards. I made a bow out of the yarn so you could see. It's really pretty. But that is 72 total yards all together. And it's this, for everything you've seen, is going to be $30 shipped. That is less than 50 cents a yard. That is like 42 cents a yard for 72 yards. And this is all the fibers and the stuff that everyone is wanting. There's Halloween colors, there's fall colors, spring colors, pretty colors. There's different types. You're just gonna get a big assortment of eyelash fun fur fibers, and you get, again, 3 yards of everything that I showed you. And if you are interested, it will be PayPal only, friends and family only, US only. And if you are interested, please leave your email below, and I will let you know if I have any left. I will have a total of 5 of these kits. There will be a total of 5. So if you're interested, I will try to put on this video when I have sold out. I will try to get it on there as soon as possible. I don't always I am not always able to do it immediately, but I will definitely try to as soon as I can if I sell out. But $30 shipped, that includes shipping, 72 yards, 42 cents a yard, and I'll have a total of 5. If you're interested and you want to email me rather than leave it in the comments, let me know. This is kit number 106, Fibers. So thank you for watching. Please hit the thumbs up and subscribe. And I'm working on the giveaway, Christmas kits, fall kits, and I'm going to do one more special Halloween kit. So subscribe and hit the bell so you know. See you next time. Bye-bye.